असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय.
Hi everyone, this is BVKR. In this session, we'll discuss about angle sum property by using, we just do the some example problems. In triangle ABC, angle A is 30 degrees and angle B is 45 degrees. Then find angle C. You know, the angle sum property is the sum of three angles is 180 degrees. That means angle A plus angle B plus angle C, that equals to 180 degrees. So you know that angle A and angle B, we have to substitute those values in the equation. Angle A 30 degrees plus angle B 45 degrees plus angle C, we don't know, that is equals to 180 degrees. So we have to add them. This is 75 degrees plus angle C is equals to 180 degrees. You know the transposition. Transposition, we know that by using the transposition, the 75 degrees to take RHS from the LHS. So then we get angle C equals to 180 degrees. When we 75 to transpose, it is a plus, it is minus now. Angle C is equal to 105 degrees. So therefore, angle C is equal to 105 degrees. This is all about by using angle sum property. In this video, we'll discuss about that example 2, which is related to angle sum property. In triangle ABC, if angle A is equals to 3 into root B, 3 into angle B, and angle C is equals to 2 into angle B. Find all the three angles of triangle ABC. So this is the triangle ABC, but angle A is 3, angle B, 3 into angle B, angle C is 2 into angle B. You have to find angle B and angle A and angle C also. So you know the solution is angle sum property. The sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees, you know. So what are the three angles? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degrees. Right. Angle A, how much? 3 into angle B. Angle C, how much? 2 into angle B. Substitute these values into this equation. What is the angle A? 3 angle B plus angle B, we don't know that, we can write as it is. But instead of angle C, you can write 2 into angle B is equals to 180 degrees. 3 angle B, 2 angle B. When we add them, we get 6 angle B. 3 angle B plus 1 angle B, 4 angle B plus 2 angle B, 6 angle B is equals to 180 degrees. So 6 angle B means 6 into angle B. If we have to transpose this 6 to RHS, angle B right here, and this is 180. It is a multiplication, you know, 6 in this side. When we transpose, it will be divide 630. So the angle B is equals to 30 degrees. right? Thus, we just write angle A also. Angle A is equals to 3 into angle B. 3 into 30, that is equals to 90 degrees of angle A. And what about angle C? To angle B. From that 2 into 30, that is equals to 60 degrees. You just add angle A and angle B and angle C. Angle A is 90, angle B is 30. 90 plus 30, 120, plus angle C is 60, that is equals to 180. So the angle sum property is proved.